gold on 3 hours time frame. Shavyfxhub. While America is awaiting the fortnight's good audit, we can expect a fundamental from that exercise. If they check and tell you there is no gold, that will make everybody who fight with gold, and that will technically push the price of gold upwards. And one of the biggest questions you should ask yourself: those who hold gold, why do they want to sell? Majority of those who hold gold are multi-millionaires. Majority of them are multi-millionaires. They really got a lot of money. So they are just using it as a kind of a hedge. It's not like they really need money for anything. So we must understand this thing that who are those holding gold? Why are they holding gold? They are holding it for the future. A lot of them are rich, so they might not be selling. And until we have institutional sellouts, we're still going to continue to struggle with gold sell. We're going to struggle with it for a very long time. Sorry to say it, we're going to struggle a lot with gold selling. The reason is because for every position of demand, they buy back. Every position of demand, they buy back. So we are dealing with that, and it's an issue because the market is anticipating a serious sell, at least up to 1,000, 2,900 level. But every time market makes a drop, they buy back. So there is nothing we can do about it. There's nothing we can do about it. So all we need to do is to recalibrate our charts and see if there is hope for a potential drop in price. And after scooping some important sell zone yesterday and Friday, market also got back. So for every time market buyback is an indication of sentiment. So you can imagine by close of New York session, market buying back by close of New York session. That tells you a story. So to have seen the market buy back by close of New York session, it tells me that gold might not be going down. You see, everything in the market is pattern, mathematics of pattern. Close of market, who is buying this thing? Who is the person that is doing this thing? So it only tells you that gold might continue to hold on. And with the current tariff playing out, that's also a key indicator of a potential upswing and a strong bullish move ahead of time. We have here as a supply roof, and we also have here as a supply roof. We have here as a supply roof, and this is a demand floor. So I will call here supply side cap, and here is our demand floor shoe. So these are ascending trend line 8 year, and also a demand floor. You see, trading is all about pattern. Now look at how the market is buying an ascending trend line. So on a mathematical level, you could just draw an ascending trend line and buy on every touch of that line. This has provided a very clear buy signal, irrespective of your knowledge in trading. If you follow the pattern, you could just be successful for no reason. I use that word for no reason because a lot of people think you need to be a guru. No, you don't need to be a forex guru to be successful in the market. If you understand pattern, it can make a whole lot of difference in the trading journey. Now I'm showing you the pattern of the market. Trading is mathematics. It's a pattern, full pattern, which have a touch of fundamental data. Now it is the behavior of traders that make trading a gambling. Trading is not gambling, but the behavior of traders have a gambling behavior. It is hard to find a trader who does not have a gambling behavior. Very, very hard. Out of every 20 traders, 18 are gamblers at one point. I'm not saying all the time, at one point. So it is the mindset, the understanding, and that gives you the edge over others. Ability to calm down. It's not easy to be calm. So if you are somebody who knows how to calm down, you could win this market. And one of the things I learn every day is how to calm down in every situation to try and find peace. If you find peace and you calm down, even in the most difficult situation in life, you'll be victorious. But if you rush and you're seeking for an answer to a problem, you're going to lose. That's what trading is. When you lose money in trading and you're fighting to get your money, but you're not going to get that money. No broker is going to give you money he has taken from you. No broker is going to do that. Once they take your money, they are taking it. So when you fight so much to get your money back, the more you fight, the more they prove to you that you're not going to get it. You're not going to get it. It's a point blank market decision to take and never give up. The market is designed to take. It's designed to take from you and I. It's not designed to make us rich. It wasn't the intention of creating the financial market. It wasn't the function of trading. The function of trading was to take, not to give. So it is you now that will now look at it and design your own template, whether you are coming to take or you are coming to give. But the key in this market is patience. Allow the market to come to you. If the market comes to you, no matter how it is, to give you a dead drop profit. Mindset is everything. A trader who has a very good mindset is a good trader, irrespective of strategy. Every strategy is good, I'm sorry to say. There's no strategy in the market that is bad, only mindset. You have the right mindset. So now this is what we are seeing now. These are mindset talk where we're looking at the charts. And, we have a structure. You look at it on a line chart. You see it clearly. Break a structure, series of retest, break a structure, retest, break the demand floor, retest, break supply roof, retest. And we have price return here. So holding here to as your next sell zone. So this is your new sell zone. So if you have price erupt from this floor where it is, you likely come there. And we have here a very nice floor, and, clean, except we don't want to make our charts very dirty. But I believe that market, I don't think it's going to fall up to 70 something. Let's just keep that in mind. There's a probability that market will come here. There's a probability that market will come here. Here, this level. There's a very high probability. It's a clean break and retest. So I don't want to keep it, but let's just add it to our chart. This is a very clean area after break of structure. Price came here and as a demand floor come here. So here will be our new demand floor shoe. So if price comes to that level, feel free to buy it back. That's a very good discount for the precious metal. The precious metal comes to that level. It's a good discount. So let's look at other parameters and we look at our roof. And this will be my litmus test for continuous buying. If price will hit the roof, it will first of all break this structure. If it wants to get to the roof, it has to break the structure. It really has to break it. At the moment, now this has formed a roof. So this now a new ascending trend line acting as a roof. So you must take note of it. And I'm not the one who made that up. It's the market that made it up. So in 3 hours, this remains a vital roof. So we are waiting for a break of this 3 hours supply roof. The break of that 3 hours supply roof will ultimately indicate, not completely, but it will give us a signal that the price is likely going to get into 3,000 mark. That is what it means. So we watch it and see if that happens. If that doesn't happen, that's okay. And one of the most times we look at volatility in the market is the New York session around 14 o'clock. Around 1400, we see market dip here into 3,000, 3,000 mark and then above. So this area has a very strong price action, very strong price action. I love the price action on this level. Price creating there as a supply roof and then price return here after break of structure. Return here as a supply roof and then another break of structure after break of the demand structure. Came here and confirmed it as a supply roof. And we have here as a demand structure and followed by a breakout of the structure. We have here as a supply roof. So the price action is clear. Ultimately, when price returned, it respected it and sold in line with the price action. So what that means is that we are going to hold that line responsible for our sell in the future. Now this remains our buy floor. So in the future price comes back, I want to see here will give us a buy opportunity. So we are also going to take note of that and put our zone into that market so that when price comes in, we want it to come into our zone. So if it comes into our zone, then we are technical traders. We are technical traders. So we are monitoring the structure of the market the way it is. And let's go back on line chart and see what price has done. That we have a defense at this level. You look here, you'll find a clean break of structure at that level. Clean break of structure. That was why market has brought back towards the close of the New York session. And then they wondering why did they buy back? They bought back because the market faced an immediate structure. It could not break the structure and they bought back. Here is resistance structure. Here is resistance structure. Break of resistance returns here at the moment. So I'm going to put my logo there. Demand flow shoe and also a retest candle to a broken structure. And we have here as a supply roof, and that's going to be my supply sell cap. Resistance to upswing initiated at this level from a long-term ascending trend line. A long-term ascending trend line. It has a strong break of structure at this level. And we came here, respected it as a supply roof, and it sold down. So let's go back to you can see the market reaction at that level from that SSN supply sell cap dropping. And when price returned here again, we affirmed it again as another supply sell cap, boosting our confidence that we have done the right thing. And this break of structure at this level 1, 2, 3 create another ascending trend line where price return to respect it as a demand flush. And we have that structure breaking to return to a long-term roof. This is a long-term roof. You can see the roof starting from December. We create a series of roof and we return here in January 24, 2025. And we tested it again in January 31st, and we tested again February 04 before break of structure on Tuesday 04. So after that break of structure, we came back, we retested it on Thursday 06, and we returned again to affirm it on Wednesday 12th February 2025, and we returned again February 14, and ultimately that impulse leg created W structure. You can see that W structure. That W structure is a reversal. Is a bullish. It's a bullish sign. And after which price will continue to insist on buying. They continue to insist. This is a complete insistence. They insist that they only want to buy. And let's look if we have other structures on that W. I'm seeing something on that W structure. And let's see if it comes out clean in 3 hours. If it doesn't come clean, I will leave it. Let's see if it comes out clean. See, the market is waged here on multiple trend lines. If you look here, you find here as a demand structure, break of a demand structure, supply, break of a supply structure, demand, break of a demand structure, supply, break of a supply structure, demand. So we technically want a breakout from this structure. So let's take this out. The other one is valid. We have two lines there. So if we break out from here, a clean break and close up below this structure, we ultimately want to test the black ascending trend line, which now happens to be my new sell litmus test. I will be watching it when buyers break it in a way that is well pronounced. We are looking for a clear break of structure. Clear break of structure is all we need. You see, one of the things that have boosted our confidence on that level, I will tell you, is the price action we draw from here, creating here as a supply roof, creating here as a supply roof by way of wicks, that is the body of the candle close. And if you look back on your line chart, you will see the 2 points giving us strong impetus for a supply roof. And the break of a supply roof, price returns here on re-candle rejection, and the returns again on the re-candle rejection, returns here on the close of a body candle, full rejection, indicating the presence of a full body close. And they rejected this level, and that's telling you that this market might be going up. This is not a wick this time, this is a full body of a candle close, and after which they bought it back. They bought it back. They are respecting this structure. They are respecting it, this trend line. They have not disrespected it. If they break out from that structure, anything they see, they will take. If they break out from there, of course, they are coming here. If they break out from this structure, look at where they are coming to here. They are coming here below 2,900. That's around 2,886, depending on the time. If it's New York session, they came here. Of course, they should be around the 2,890. They drop into this structure. That is how we see it. They drop into that structure. All I'm looking for them to get into the box. If they get into the box, then I will activate a buy, knowing well that the candle will not close, will not have a body candle close below below this ascending trend and acting as a demand floor shoe. You can see the structure on the demand floor shoe, and it's quite very easy to understand. So this is what market have done by close of the market. You realize that they respected the 43 level that happens to be another 3 hours supply with 2,945, and the market has reacted on that roof. So this is the roof. The roof you have here, 3 hours. You can see the rejection of that level. So 44, 45 was predicted in our last call, and market came there and reacted. So now we'll be looking out for breakout of this structure. The breakout of this structure will ultimately tell me that market is going up. But at the moment, you can see what price is. Now let us look at it again on the 3 hours ascending trend line. On the 3 hours ascending trend line, we have a clean, you see price have a clean breakout structure and a retest. Let's go with this one. There's the body of a candle close, and this is the beginning. So if you have another swing, most likely it might take us to where we don't want to be. Let's go back to the line chart. You see the structure. Here, price create here. Demand floor, demand floor, demand floor break of structure. You see a retest, and this is the retest. And price might come back again to retest it again. If it does that, it will be in the zone of 2967, 2967, 2970. This area looks tentative for me if that market swings up again.